everyone, my name is Tailor. I'm a fashion designer and you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've seen my videos before and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. I'm an African-inspired ready-wear fashion designer based here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've been in business for over 10 years. So here on my channel, I talk about being a fashion designer, starting a fashion business, starting a ready-wear business, all things fashion, and sometimes, once in a while, I talk about my life. So here in today's video, I'll be talking about the difference between a fashion designer and a tailor. I've done this video in the past and a lot of people, enjoyed watching that video. And so I'm replicating that video again. It's been a couple of years since I did that video and I've had, several experiences since then. And this is an update on that video. So like I said earlier, I'm a fashion designer. I make my designs and I sell my designs right here in my store. And that is what I've done for over 10 years. And in being a fashion designer, I don't make all of the garments, even though I'm heavily involved in the production of every single garment. And I definitely cannot sew all the clothes. So I have people that work with me. I have employed people in the past and who have worked with me basically. And in the process of trying to find people to work with me, I encounter different kinds of things. And for me, I consider a fashion designer to be somebody who is very, very creative. Creative in the sense that they can work very well with patterns, colors, patterns, colors, designs, fabric. You give a fashion designer something to make and, just give them a piece of fabric and say, I want to look X, Y, and Z. A fashion designer has the capability to look at fabric, something that is very ordinary, something that is very plain, and able to come up with ideas or come up with something that is very creative, something that would look really, really nice, something that would make people go, oh, wow. Something that people would really, really, really like. But you see, a tailor is someone that puts garments together. A tailor can understand patterns very, very, very well. A fashion designer as well should be able to understand patterns, should be able to understand garment construction. Likewise, a tailor. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to bash tailors or anything like that because I also consider myself to be a tailor as well. And in order to be a successful fashion designer, you have to be able to combine both of them together. You find people who call themselves fashion designers and they don't know anything, literally anything about patterns, about cutting, drafting, nothing whatsoever. They just know how to put pictures together or put sketches together, which is, which is fine, which is okay. But I always advise people to have an idea of tailoring skills. So you find tailors who come and when you ask them that, what are you or who are you or what do you do? They don't want to tell you that they are tailors because, I don't know, for some strange reason, tailors are being frowned upon on this side of the world because we have this thing called tailors disappointing you in one way or the other. Maybe they spend too much time on your garments, they hold your garments for a long time, or there's this thing they say online, what I asked for and what was made for me, or what I ordered and what was sent to me, all that. But the thing is, you find people, they come and they say, I've come for the position. What do you do? Oh, I'm a fashion designer. And You're a fashion designer, but when you give them something to make for you, you give them something really, give them fabric and tell them to make something really, really nice, something that would really, really speak for itself. A lot of the times, they can't. They just can't. They make it, but it's just there. So the thing is, being a fashion designer is one thing, and being a tailor is another thing. To be a successful fashion designer, you need to be able to combine both of them. It may not necessarily be that you are the one that's going to manufacture all your garments, but it's very, very important to be able to combine both of them. Even if you're not a fantastic tailor, but you can be a fantastic fashion designer. And also in the line of tailoring, we need to be able to stand up and be proud of whatever it is that we do. We need to be able to stand up and be proud of our skill. What do you do? I am a tailor. There is nothing wrong in being a tailor. Tailors make our clothes. Tailors put our garments together. Tailors do an absolutely phenomenal job. I can say this categorically because I consider myself to be one as well. Being a tailor is not an easy job. Being a tailor is it's very demanding. It's very demanding to the body. Standing for hours, sitting for hours. It's a very, very demanding job. And being a fashion designer, on the other hand, takes a lot of brain work as well. A lot of brain work, a lot of creativity. So there's a difference between the two of them. So my video for today is done. If you enjoyed watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And so I will see you soon.